Hey, welcome to Get Money Inc.
Hello.
You gonna get a tattoo today?
Yes.
And your name?
Captain Jolly.
Okay. Come over and have a seat.
So excited.
Is this your first tattoo?
Oh, yeah.
This?
Yes.
Okay. And what are you getting?
I love Pirates of the Caribbean. Brought these movies to show you.
Mhm.
I live my life as a pirate, everything about being a pirate. And I was thinking I was getting something that represented the Pirates of the Caribbean in my life as a pirate, and loving pirates and all. My father was a pirate.
Really?
I grew up as a pirate, and I just want something to represent me and my family and what I love.
So what exactly do you want?
I'm thinking this symbol right here. It's on every movie, as you can see. See, every movie, do you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I was thinking this symbol because it represents the movie.
Okay. I think I can do that.
I'm so excited. I was thinking like maybe here. Do you think this would be good? The most piratey place.
Yeah.
I think it's pretty good for a
I
pirate.
think that's perfect.
I was born on a pirate ship.
Really? Where did you sail?
I sailed the 7 seas. I've been to Davy Jones' locker and back. That was no joke. Almost died. Me and the whole crew.
Okay. I need you to put your sleeve up and close.
Like right here.
Right here?
Yes. I think it should be more like right here.
Get in position. Alright, tell me where. Right here?
Yeah. You did a really good job drawing that up. You're amazing.
Well, I'm a tattoo artist.
Have you ever thought about being a pirate?
Can't say I have.
It hurt. It was worth it. It hurt so bad. I didn't think that it'd feel anything like this, but I guess that's what happens when you're a pirate. Oh. Beautiful.
Are you satisfied with it?
Oh, yes. Do I look like a pirate?
Yes. Alright. Well, we're all done here.
How much do I owe you?
$150.